Thanks, my friends, you're all so kind. Humpty Dumpty